So Bear, or Bridge Enhanced ACL Restoration, essentially it allows your body to regrow its own ACL, which when Dr. Petropelli years ago when he was in medical school, like we've always been trying to find a better way than a traditional reconstruction. So this kind of was something that he was very interested in and trying to figure out how to solve this problem. Thankfully, Dr. Martha Murray up in Boston Children's Hospital, she kind of committed her life's work to figuring out how to have your body literally regrow its own tissue, which if you've been in orthopedics for any time, it's a pretty wild thing to think about, frankly. So it's a bovine collagen. It looks like a little packing peanut, and that kind of gets sewed into the stump of your ACL, and then it gets tied back up or sutured up into where the ACL kind of attaches up on the outside of your femur. So it creates a nice little matrix for your body to naturally heal. Traditionally, your ACL does not heal on its own. One of the main reasons, and the main reason is in your knee joint, if you get blood, you get an infusion, that kind of thing, it prevents clotting. There's certain aspects of the knee joint that prevent clotting from happening. Obviously, you don't want a big clot, like if you got a cut on the back of the knuckle and you got a big scab, right? If that happens inside your knee, chances are your knee gets stiff, you get a lot of scar tissue. So your body tries to protect from doing that, so it inhibits the clotting factor inside the knee. That's where the Bridge Enhanced ACL Restoration, the Bear implant, comes in. It creates a nice little safe space for your body to kind of heal, clot, etc., in order to kind of regrow those tissues.